here we are on the beach. I finally freedom. What are you doing with me? I'm with you. You can come with me. Who are you? I am Denzel. Oh, Denzel. Come with me. I'm the regular spy. Maybe you could be with me tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow. Yep. Tomorrow. Welcome over there. And this is the race? Yeah. Come with me. You'll be safe in here. Okay, better be good. Does my mustache look good? Okay. Oh, welcome back to another episode of Woodpecker Racing. Oh, I got a message from Lindsay. In this episode, Woody are gonna challenge the mysterious racer with Clarence and the Big Bad Wolf. Yeah, that's right. Because oh, I forgot to wash my teeth. Oh, thank you. Here we are. Okay. Oh, and thank you for coming, Andy Panda. Don't mention it, Woody. I'll always be with you. Yeah. I will wait for you, Jeff and Sermo. Yeah, go ahead, Clarence.
Yeah, I love you, Clarence.
Now, who's gonna be the next victim? I'll show you.
Hello?
Okay, Owen, Gwen, Leathery.
Wait, you mean she?
Him. Hello. Wait, is that Agnes? Huh? Wait a minute. I didn't put him there. Well, I think that he won't post to allow here in the race because he's gonna dunk. What did you say? What? That's forget for saying that.
Okay, since Agnes had made the best cartoons win. Stop teasing me!
Well, try it rain sound. Just win already, okay?
Looks like we got a female racer in the race now, right?
Yeah, she does look like a hot mama.
What? I want to... That sucks anyways. I'm all alone now.
Okay, get ready. Start your engines. And wait! What is it now? I believe that racer has a flat tire. This, the red. This fellow over here, he has a flat tire. A tire? I don't have a flat tire. Then what do you call it, huh, Mr. McCuckoo Pants? Oh, I believe that this time. Yes, I'm out of here. Take your time. Why do you want me, Tripper? Come to fix your car? So, come on. I'll take you. Take your time. Very good. Look at the race. Shh, quiet. We're secret agents. Okay, yes, right.
So this is your place?
Yeah, just like a film. This time, done.
Wow, how do you do that?
So go ahead. You could call me anytime now. So go ahead and Stormtrooper's mechanic shop. We got cool carts, boats, trucks, and more. And don't forget motorcycles.
What are you talking about?
It's a commercial.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Oh, welcome back to the race. And a moment after the race. Get the hell out of here at this time, and then... Hey, Ferb, Woody's back. Oh, yeah. Oh, I can't wait Audrey here to see this. Okay, ready, get set, go. There goes Woody. There goes Clarence. Oh, and there goes Agnes. Oh, there goes the Big Bad Wolf. And look, all the crowd cheers. Oh, the race has finally started, and hey, how'd you get your mustache back on again? And maybe you hurt a lot of blue. You're weird. Okay, give me that phone, tissue. Okay, come on. Yo ho ho, with the bottle of crap. I love this scene when I get to squat. I'm a summer, sure, I finally killed what I. The effort's gonna love me. About the top of the wheel. And it's up about and we got a call. Oh, it's for you, Captain. Oh, thank you. Hello, Ark. Hello. Hi, it's me, Lucius Haynes' Heaven's cousin. How are you doing today, Scooby lad? I'm doing good, but I need you to do me one favor. That includes cartoons. Okay, I'll send me clue anytime now. Who the hell was that?
Oh, the captain says because Lucius called to check the cartoons are.
Well, that's good. I hate cartoons, especially a parrot of yours are.
Somebody please help me.
Corey out there are.
Captain D is the boss of this crew, not you.
Okay, Robert said sail for Los Angeles. Aye. Okay.
Captain D, where are we going?
I don't know, R.
But you said you weren't supposed to say ARG.
Oh, okay, alright. And next time, remember me.
Okay.
7 hours later.
Lad, oh!
Hey, what took you so long? R, that I was just doing my best.
Lucius, what the hell are you doing here?
And grab a feather. What are you doing to bury the pan costume in a blue cape and pretend to be a pirate?
Grabs? My name is not Grabs. My name is Grumpy Grabs Beef Beardo Arg.
And so, if you're not the gripper feather, then who is the real gripper feather?
Hello.
Oh, I see.
Well, it's me old cousin Grabs. Come on, Scobeardo. I can't believe it's you. It ain't your Hubby Ramsey no more. It's Grumpy Beardo.
Oh yeah, enough of the family reunion. I want you to go sabotage the cartoon race. Can you do that for me? Okay, we'll do it. Okay, Grampsy, you know what to do.
Okay.
Keep going. You're good. And stop. Alright, Captain, we'll pop out the scratches.
Holy Macadamia! Looks like there's some pirates are blocking the area, causing nearing in the finish line. Did you get that from the Nut Job? Yes, it's a pretty good movie, actually. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what that means. I believe someone who's gonna win this race.
Don't worry, I'll do it for you, Captain. Huh. Come get some.
Fool, stay off the road!
There goes Yabba-Dabba-Doo! Ooh!
Ooh, that's gotta hurt. I agreed. That probably hurt. And look, Woody's crossing the finish line, so that means we have a winner. Woody wins the race.
Yeah, Woody won! Yay!
No, you idiot pirates! You disappoint me. Well, they are, but don't worry, we'll get them next time. The next time for you. I'm out of here.
Well, I guess I have won the race.
Yeah, and Agnes will come along with Gru. What? Oh, looks like that's the end of the second episode of Woody Woodpecker Racing. Well, Woody will challenge next. We'll find out in this episode that... looks like that's it for this episode of Woody Woodpecker Racing. We'll see you in the next episode. Yay! Yay! Next episode! Give me your mustache now! There, your mustache. Oh, look, there he wants. Yeah. Maybe we should find in Tokyo. Yeah, come on, let's go.